Here's a demonstration on how to start the one-cylinder, two-stroke cycle gasoline-powered chainsaw. This is a cold saw, one that has not been running already and has not been flooded. For more information on how to start a warm saw or how to unflood a saw, refer to the SDFD Academy Truck side YouTube channel. First, make sure the chain brake is engaged before putting the saw in the full choke position. Full choke is all the way down on the choke lever as you see here. Set the saw on the ground for a standard start. Use your left hand to put downward pressure on the handlebar of the saw and the inside of your right foot to block the back of the saw. Although LCL is not performed during fireground operations, it's demonstrated here. It's done to check the length, the condition of the cord, and to lubricate the cylinder. Make sure the area is clear of any unnecessary personnel and any flammable material before attempting to start the saw. Give a firm, short, upwards pull on the cord until you hear the saw pop. Once that happens, move the choke lever to the run position. Confirm the chain brake is engaged and then pull the cord again to start the saw. Once the saw begins to run, disengage the chain brake and run the saw at full throttle. Lower the bar towards the ground, taking care not to strike the ground. Run the saw at full throttle until you begin to see oil splattering on the ground at the end of the bar. Another method of starting the saw is a modified drop start. To perform the modified drop start, make sure the chain brake is engaged prior to placing the handle of the saw between your legs. Slightly angle the saw to expose the pull cord. Use your left hand to secure the corner of the handlebar. Squeeze the handle of the saw tightly between your legs while pulling up sharply on the cord. Continue this process until the saw pops. Move the choke lever up into the run position, confirm the chain brake is engaged, and pull up sharply on the cord until the saw starts. Confirm the saw has sufficient oil and prepare for cutting operations. This tells the operator that the saw has sufficient oil. Allow the saw to return back to idle before engaging the chain brake and starting your cutting operation.